Hi guys, welcome to our channel PPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel PPA Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. So to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel, we have made a data in Excel to create a funnel chart which shows the category wise sales. So this will be our data to create a funnel chart. First we will be seeing the output of a chart, and then we will be having a deep explanation and the understanding about the code written behind to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. So let's see the output first. So as you can see on the screen that this is our output of our funnel chart in VBA Excel, and let's see what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. And let's get into our VBA Editor to see what all codes has to be written to create this chart. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA Editor, and this is the sub procedure which we have created to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. So we will be seeing and having the deep understanding and the explanation about what all code has to be written and what these codes do to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So the first line of code which says range c4.select, this helps us to select a single cell inside our data range. As you can see, we have selected a single cell inside our data, and then what we are going to do is in the next line we are going to type active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters. Now these parameters has to be separated by a comma, and these parameters will help us to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. So the first parameter which we are going to give is the chart value. Each and every chart has its own value, and in our video we are creating a funnel chart, so the chart value for the funnel chart is 419. After that we are going to give the chart type. So what type of chart we are trying to build? So we are trying to build a Excel funnel chart in VB Excel. So the chart type will be Excel funnel. After that what we are going to do is we are going to give the left and top parameters to position our chart in VBA Excel inside our worksheet. After giving this position parameters like left and top, we are going to close our brackets, and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select. So what this line of code will do is this line of code will help us to create and select the chart. But wait, after creating and selecting a chart, we are going to use a with statement over here to add the chart title and chart labels, as well as set the legends on top over here. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to write with statement, which will start with active chart. So once your chart is created and selected, your chart becomes the active chart. So this will be with active chart, and then below that we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and in the double inverted comma we are going to give our chart title. This can be modified as per your convenience or preference. So for our video I have kept the chart title as funnel chart in VBA Excel. After that what we are going to do is we are going to show the data labels with its category. So as you can see, we have the data labels with the category and the sales amount. So to show the data labels on each and every bar of our funnel chart, we have to type dot apply data labels and then give it a space. After that we have to type show category name colon equals to true. Once you have written this line of code, this line of code will help you to show the categories and the values of its categories inside your funnel chart. After that what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on top over here. So to set the legends on top, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element legend top. Once you have given this, then after that we are going to end the with statement in the next line by typing end with. And now if you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. Now, as you can see that we have selected our funnel chart over here. So to deselect our funnel chart, what we are going to do is we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet. So as you can see, D3 is my empty cell and I have selected this to deselect my funnel chart. Now congratulations, you have learned how to create a funnel chart in VBA Excel. If you want to learn more about the VBA visualization, then please do visit to our channel BPO Coder. And if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye.